Welcome back to the channel. If you're building a website in Wix Studio and want your navigation to look polished and professional, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to edit menu and submenu items in Wix Studio, step by step, so your visitors can find what they need fast. Stick with me till the end, because I'll share a quick pro tip that keeps your menu perfectly organized every time. First, head over to the Wix Studio website and log into your account. For a quick and secure sign-in, you can click Continue with Google. This saves time and ensures you're working in the correct account right away. Once you're on your dashboard, choose the site you want to edit and click Edit Site. This launches the Wix Studio Editor, where all the design and structure options live. Inside the editor, look for the Manage Menu option. You'll usually find it in the left-hand toolbar or within the site settings. This is where your site's entire navigation structure is displayed, every page and every link. Now you can customize your current menu items. Reorder, drag and drop items to change their sequence. Rename, double-click the text to update the page name. Delete, use the trash icon to remove any item you no longer need. Add new, click plus add menu item to create a fresh link or page. Everything updates in real time, so you'll see the changes immediately on your preview. To create a submenu, drag a menu item slightly below and to the right of the main menu item where you want it nested. You'll see a visual guide appear. This confirms you're creating a dropdown. Release the item and voila, you have a submenu. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can edit menus and submenus in Wix Studio like a pro. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more web design guides. Got questions or want me to cover another Wix feature? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy designing.